Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are going to clean out the wheel wells of the MX5 and give them a nice paint, refresh them, have them looking really good. Stick around. So, since we put in new front shocks in the MX5 and that's looking nice and new, I think the rest of the wheel wells should look nice and new as well. So the idea is we're going to pull off the tires, clean it with some soap and water, just make sure everything's nice and clean, looking good, and then touch up all the factory overspray of the silver that's in the inside of the wheel wells, and we're going to just make it nice and matte black so it matches all the plastics and the fender liners and the suspension parts and all those things, so it's going to look nice and new. So what we're going to do is just clean it up with some soap and water, and then just refresh all of this with nice matte black, and it's going to look brand new. Okay, so we just gave the water a little time to dry, and I taped up just the lip on the inside here, just in case I spray a little bit crappy and maybe I hit the edge and I don't want paint on it, so just tape that up for safety. And now it looks like it's dry, so let's hit it with the spray paint. Okay, first coat, looking good. We're gonna give that a minute to dry, hit it with a second one, just touch up where we need to, and that should be it. That is looking really good. So there's no need for us to wait for it to dry now, so I'm gonna put the wheel back on, drop the car back down, and then it's time to do the other side. So you now know the process. I'm going to hop onto the other side. I'm not going to show you in detail what to do because you already saw it once. I'm going to do that, and then we're going to probably jump into the front, do those as well. I'm going to cut that short because you know how it's going to turn out. So let's just get to it. There you go, second side is done. It's looking really fresh, looking good. All I got to do now is jump into the front and do those two. I'm not going to show you that. You already know the process and what it's going to look like. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then I will see you on the next one. See ya.